Let me introduce you to Grace Christian Academy.
We are a high school.
And an elementary school.
We are students.
Athletes.
We are the Lions.
We are a Christian school, and our mission is to educate from a Christian worldview.
Why does that matter?
Because the world around us is changing.
But God's Word never changes.
We have designed our school to be safe and secure.
Spiritually, emotionally, and physically.
Our teachers really care about us.
I know I can always go to my teachers when I have a problem.
We've seen miracle after miracle to make this school a reality.
And we are thankful for God's faithfulness to us.
Our vision for the school is big, like really big.
And we are inviting you to join us on this journey.
Come roar with us.